They said GoPro had already won the action camera war, but then DJI just walked in with something so powerful, it might change how creators film forever. This isn't just another upgrade. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6, the camera that could redefine filmmaking, vlogging, and adventure content in 2025. Because this time, DJI didn't just make a camera that sees, they built a camera that understands. So grab your gear, creators, because what you're about to see might just be the biggest leap in action camera history. The new era of action cameras. In every generation of tech, one product quietly shifts the boundaries of what's possible. For smartphones, it was the iPhone. For drones, it was DJI's Phantom. And now, for action cameras, it's the Osmo Action 6 for years. Creators have begged for one thing: true cinematic quality in a pocket-sized device, and DJI just delivered the knockout punch. This isn't just about specs, it's about storytelling, because when you can shoot, stabilize, color grade, and publish from one camera, the line between hobbyist and filmmaker disappears. The 1-inch sensor revolution. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the 1-inch sensor. Now, if you've used action cams before, you know how rare this is. Most are stuck at tiny sensors that struggle in low light, but DJI just dropped a sensor that's 4 times larger than what most competitors offer. What does that mean? More light, more depth, more life in every frame. Imagine riding through a dusty canyon, every grain of sand crisp and alive, or diving beneath the waves, watching sunlight scatter through water like liquid glass. That's not marketing hype, that's physics. A bigger sensor means a bigger story. You're not just capturing a moment, you're painting with light. 8K recording changes everything. Now here's the headline grabber: 8K recording. And yeah, some of you might say, come on 8K? That's overkill. But here's the truth. 8K is the creator's secret weapon. You can shoot once and edit endlessly. Crop in, reframe, punch in for dramatic effect, all without losing quality. For vloggers, travel filmmakers, and adventure YouTubers, it's game-changing. You can film one wide take and later build 5 shots from it, all in pristine detail. And when you pair 8K with rock-steady 4.0 stabilization, things get wild. Rock-steady 4.0 stabilization. This is next-gen stabilization that doesn't just correct your movement, it predicts it. Whether you're snowboarding, skydiving, or sprinting through city streets, your footage stays buttery smooth, no gimbal, no editing tricks, just physics, sensors, and DJI magic doing their thing. Early testers say it feels almost supernatural, like your camera is floating through the air. Perfectly balanced. This is the kind of tech that makes average footage look professional, and professional footage look cinematic. AI that thinks like a filmmaker. Now let's talk about the real genius. AI. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just smarter, it's intuitive. It can recognize faces, scenes, motion, and lighting in real time. That means it adapts automatically, shifting exposure, color tone, and white balance before you even notice it. Picture this. You jump into the ocean, instantly. It adjusts the blue balance. You run into a sunset. Boom. It enhances the orange gradient. Naturally, it's like having a tiny filmmaker living inside your camera. This AI-driven processing isn't just about automation, it's about creativity. You focus on the story. The Osmo Action 6 handles the science longer battery, less waiting. Now, every creator knows, nothing kills a vibe faster than a dead battery. DJI listened. They redesigned the battery system from the ground up with improved thermal efficiency, meaning it can record 30-40% longer than before. So, whether you're filming a mountain climb or a day-long shoot, this camera keeps going. And when it's time to recharge, USB-C 2.1 fast charging gets you from 0 to 80% in under 20 minutes. That's not just faster, that's freedom. Underwater power. And get this. The Osmo Action 6 is waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. No bulky housing. No extra gear, just grab and go. Surfers, divers, swimmers, this one's built for you. It's literally built to follow you anywhere your story takes you. Audio that matches your visuals. Creators often forget. Visuals are half the story. The other half? Sound. DJI upgraded the microphone array, now featuring directional pickup, wind suppression, and full compatibility with the DJI Mic 2. That means you can vlog outdoors, record interviews, or capture ambient nature audio, all in crystal clarity. No bulky external gear. Just plug and create. Your audience will hear the difference instantly. Section 9, the DJI Creator Ecosystem. But here's where DJI really flexes, the ecosystem. This isn't just one camera, it's part of an interconnected world that includes DJI drones, mics, and gimbals, all syncing seamlessly through the DJI Mimo app and upcoming DJI Cloud Studio. Imagine filming with your drone and Osmo Action 6 simultaneously, and your footage automatically syncs, color grades, and edits into highlight reels. That's not science fiction. That's DJI's next step toward a creator-first ecosystem. You capture. The app edits. You post. It's that simple. Price and impact. Now the big question, what's it gonna cost? Insiders say the DJI Osmo Action 6 will launch between $499 and $599. Depending on storage and accessories, that's competitive, especially when you consider what it offers: inch sensor, 8K recording, AI engine, Rocksteady 4.0, longer battery, waterproof body, and pro-grade audio. It's not just priced to compete, it's priced to dominate. Why this matters? For creators, this camera is more than gear. It's opportunity. It bridges the gap between creativity and technology, between professional cinema and everyday storytelling. You can capture a sunrise in 8K, slow it to a whisper in post, and still keep every detail intact. You can shoot an entire travel vlog handheld and make it look like a $10,000 production. The Osmo Action 6 is proof that you don't need Hollywood to tell a cinematic story. You just need imagination. And then comes 8K video, pure creative freedom. You can crop, zoom, reframe, and still keep crystal clear detail. It's like having a Hollywood-grade camera that fits in your hand. But here's where it gets wild. This camera thinks. With advanced AI scene recognition, it understands your environment, adjusting colors, focus, and exposure automatically. Shoot underwater? It fixes the blue tones. Chasing a sunset? It enhances the glow. It's like the camera already knows what you're trying to create. And for adventurers, it's built tougher, runs longer, and goes 20 meters underwater with no extra housing. Plus, Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization keeps every frame buttery smooth, even when you're running, diving, or flying down a mountain. This isn't just an action camera anymore. It's your creative partner. Smarter, sharper, more human. Because DJI doesn't just build cameras to capture life. They build them to capture how life feels. So when the first creators post their test footage and the internet explodes with disbelief, remember this moment? The moment DJI officially changed the game. Because the Osmo Action 6 isn't just an action camera, it's a creative revolution in your pocket. And the best part? We're just getting started. If you love tech that inspires creativity, don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell us, what would you film first with the Osmo Action 6? This is Touch Trove, and we'll see you in the next one.